Guys, it is official. Home Depot has all of my money. Just take it. Just take it. Got some good stuff. Couldn't even tell you what half of it is, but this is just a drill just for me, and I'm really excited about it. We just went to Home Depot. No, don't move the car. I'm doing a video. And I'm gonna do my first unboxing. I'm so excited.
We'll show the box.
You know why I'm excited? Because we got a little black compact drill.
Impact driver.
Is that called a compact drill?
Impact driver.
Impact driver. By Makita, and I think it works really good as I push the button, and it feels good in my hand.
How heavy is it?
I mean, I can knock you out with this. Doesn't have the battery attached to it, but it fits with the batteries of our other drill. I don't know what this side button does.
Change the direction.
Like to go in or out. I understand.
See the little BL at the top?
BL, yeah.
What does that mean?
Basic leverage.
Basic leverage?
Bottoms.
That's pretty cool.
Locking.
Bottoms locking. Yeah, brushless. Brushless.
And on top of that, it's black. So that's really why we bought it. And it fits really good.
Oh, that is.
And all the bits are in the back to go with my drill.
I think that was a long unboxing. I don't think it has to be that long.
Alright, bye. This is what I do when I have my videos.
Still going. You kiss them? You kiss everyone?
I kiss my friends online. Oh.